I had this thought like a couple weeks ago. If we are all connected, we are all experiencing the now right now. Yeah, it makes sense. Like the universe is experiencing everything through every point of view, through all of us right now in this moment. And it gets a little funky with like the past and everything's happening at this moment. It's just different frequencies and everything like that. But to me, that makes sense. How do you, it's learning every viewpoint of everything that there is in one go. Now, I don't know what the end point is or what happens. I think we're trying to just progress more and more and one day probably evolve past having a physical form because we've learned everything that there is to physical reality. Um, but yeah, that's just going to take us having to have love for each other, for the people and creatures of this planet. Like, think of the Native Americans and all these different cultures that are so in tune with nature because they live with nature. They don't abuse it like, we do in the West and stuff like that. Like, all it is just, I need more, more, more. I need more resources, more money, more stuff. Instead of, wow, thank you. Thank you to the trees for creating oxygen. Thank you to the animals for providing whatever that they need to for our ecosystem or our survival or whatever, and just being thankful for everything that we have and grateful. And it's, I I know how hard it is to live in that state at all times. I'm doing my best, but the first step is just becoming aware when you step out of that, when you step into the past or the future or whatever, and just bring yourself back to the present. But Uh, I think I've rambled on quite a bit, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming and checking out this video. Thank you for being a part of my channel, Lights Over Loveland. In case you're not aware, like this shirt and some of my other shirts that I have in my videos, but I do have a merch store that I created to help try to grow this channel. Um, it's it would be really awesome if you just checked it out and also leaving likes and comments and following and all that stuff just helps promote, and hopefully we can get this message out to more people and just open more people's mind. And that's really all my goal is. um, yeah, I just want to help make this world a little bit more of a loving and caring place than it is right now. And if I can do that just by talking into a mic or posting some videos that I recorded of the sky, then I'm going to do that. And I may not be consistent every single day. I do have a full-time job and kids and a family, and sometimes I kind of have to put this on the back burner, but just know I'm not going anywhere. And if you may not see me around for a little bit, that I'm always in the background, and I'm going to do my best to upload as much relevant stuff as I can. And I just want to thank you all for coming with me on this journey. Back in March when I made this channel, I had no idea that this would become my life and I would become who I am right now. Um, yeah, it's been a wild ride, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. And I'm just going to do my best to live in gratefulness and enjoy every moment of it. But I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.